In JavaScript and TypeScript for that matter, a class can only extend one other class. This is known as single inheritance. What if you could add reusable features to multiple classes without rewriting the same code over and over? Well, let me introduce you to one of TypeScript's most flexible features, Mixins. Hi, my name is Alex. I'm a senior software engineer with years of experience in JavaScript and node.js. My goal is to help you become a confident and stress-free developer by increasing your skills and proficiency. Let's get started. In the previous video, we looked at inheritance, and I mentioned that a class can only extend a single parent class, single inheritance. These constraints sometimes present a problem because you may want to reuse code from different classes. Mixins solve this by allowing you to compose multiple behaviors into a single class. The Mixin pattern relies on using generics with a class inheritance to extend a base class. Earlier, we also covered generics. If you need a refresher or you don't know what generics are, please check out the video on generics first. With understanding how inheritance and generics work, let's look at the Mixins. First, we need to create a base class. Let's create a vehicle class. It stores the make of the vehicle. Pretty straightforward. Now let's define two Mixins, flyable and swimmable. The key to creating those Mixins is to define a constructor type. The constructor type uses parameter t with a default value of an empty object. The constructor type defines a constructor function that accepts any number of arguments with t type as a return. Also, TypeScript may complain because it doesn't like explicit any type. If you are following along and using my suggested Node.js TypeScript project setup, you can turn off no explicit any rule in the eslim.config.mjs file by disabling at TypeScript eslim no explicit any. The Mixins flyable and swimmable themselves are just functions that take a class as an argument and return a new class with extra methods fly and swim. Both functions take generic type tbase that extends a constructor accepting a vehicle. The classes they return inherit from tbase, allowing them to reuse the base class logic. This is a great example of how generics and inheritance work together in TypeScript to create flexible, reusable code. Now we can create a new class, amphibious plane, that extends stacked Mixins and the base class. Unlike traditional inheritance where a class extends just one parent class, using Mixins allows a class to inherit from multiple sources. In this case, it extends the original base class along with the behaviors provided by the flyable and swimmable Mixins. To verify that amphibious plane class has access to make defined in the base class, we can add a takeoff method to the class. The instance of amphibious plane class can now swim, take off, and fly. This is pretty cool. And just like that, we composed a class with multiple capabilities using Mixins instead of inheritance chain. Mixins help you keep your code dry and flexible. Instead of hard-coding behavior into each class, you can build reusable traits and compose them as needed. I frequently use Mixins when building repositories or designing services. If you are interested in seeing how Mixins are applied in more practical, real-world scenarios, check out my video on the repository pattern.